everybody, it's me and Marion, aka Miss Foot Fixer, and we are based in London, United Kingdom. So if you ever come down to United Kingdom, London, Oxford Circus to have some shopping, see the Queen, you can come and pop in and see me. So we have this lovely patient here with a bit of discoloration of callus down the side, and what you can see is it's quite thick callus. Let me just focus it a little bit more on itself, lower it down, so you can feel it's quite thick. And a lot of you have, last time I posted this video, I asked why do you think that this is like this, and some of you said it's footwear, some of you said it's the way that he walks, some of it says it's pressure, and all of those answers are correct. And this patient has been cleaning his feet all the time, and we talked about orthotics, didn't we? Inserts and things like that, and I can always refer you to somebody if you want me to. And sometimes orthotics inserts can help deflect the pressure from that area, but the shape of the foot can also be like this. So if you've got kind of like a wide kind of midfoot and that's semi-flat, and that can also cause some callus buildup down the side. So we'll just scraping this all back just like that. So let's zoom in a little bit more. And you can really take multiple layers off, and what you can see is me touching it. The reason why I need to touch it is to see where the ridges are. So sometimes you can't really see where the ridges are. All I'm doing is just really scraping this all the way. If you're good at scalpeling, all the podiatrists out there, if you're good at scalpeling, that's your basic kind of skill. Scalpeling is good for wounds, it's good for cutting vegetables, cutting cheese in thin layers. Just like that, nice feel on the bottom. Be able to feel from there. On the bottom here. And this, unfortunately, this pigmentation won't go away. All you need to see is there's a bit of callus here. Again, pigmentation. Sometimes when you have a build-up pigmentation, it can build up pigmentation. It's caused by pressure, trauma to the tissue. So people with dark skin sometimes can scar with darkened discoloration itself, but sometimes naturally you get little honey black dots on the bottom of your foot anyway. I think there's a little tiny corn in the corner here. Do is there is a little tiny corner right in the middle. I'm going to take out. have some callus here. So you can see the depth of what we do. We're just gonna you tell me if it gets hot, okay? Wonderful. So that's what it looks like.